Some points to remember before we jump onto our very important topic, rational number on the line. These are the few properties of rational numbers. Keep note it down and get ready.
Hello students, in the last video you have seen the rational numbers representation of a fraction form of any number in the form of p upon q, where a p and q are integers but q cannot equals to 0. Now we have seen many examples in the form of p upon q, and now we will see in this module about representing a rational number on a number line. You have already learned in your previous grades or past experience you have of representing any number like a whole number, natural number, or integers on the number line. So without taking much time, let me explain you about rational number on a number line. Suppose you have this set of numbers: 2 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3, 2 minus 2 upon 9, and 1 upon 3. How to represent this one on a number line? Very simple. As you can see that all are the fractions. They are fraction and no whole numbers with them. Okay, so it means they are lesser than 1. Now what you have to do? Very simple. See the denominator. All the denominators are 3. It means you have to divide your unit number or unit distance in 3 parts. Okay, I hope you understand this. For example, I would say here we have a 3. So how many parts we have divided this 0 to 1? 3 parts. And to divide in 3 parts you need just 2 lines, 1 and 2 lines. But when you draw the 2 lines, and when you draw these 2 lines equidistant, then you see that the 3 parts are there. 1 this, second this, third is this. This one is called 1 upon 3, this one is 2 upon 3, and the last one is 3 upon 3. And when you divide 3 upon 3 you get 1. And similarly you have to do for the further parts. Okay, if you understood this, so let me take you on this same thing on the number line. Now see very carefully, I want to represent 2 upon 3 on the number line. Now 2 upon 3 is a fraction, so what I have done is divided our unit number between in the 3 parts. See here, as you can see, from 0 and 1 I have divided in 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. Now this is our 1 upon 3, this is our 2 upon 3, and this is our 3 upon 3, as we have just seen in this also. So this is how you have to do. That's it. So whatever the number of division denominator you have, just divide your unit numbers in those many numbers. So let's take the example with this one, and I tell you, you will understand better way this time. You have 1 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, 1, 2 upon 5, and 4 upon 5. As you can see, the denominators are 5, 5, 5, 5. So any guesses? Your 0 to 1 will divide in how many parts? Yes, 5 parts. As we know that the denominator, it shows that total parts. Okay, so this denominator shows the total parts. So what you have to do, I have drawn this one number line, and I have divided our 0 to 1 from either side 1 upon 5. Okay, I want to represent this one. So where I'll go, out of 5, the first will be mine 1 upon 5. If I want to show the 4 upon 5, then it will go on 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th part out of 5, that is a 4 upon 5. At the same time, if I want to represent my negative integers, like negative rational number, that is minus 3 upon 5, I'll go on the negative side, this side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, this is our 3rd part, and you can see that minus 3 upon 5, this is our minus 3 upon 5. So similar way you can find out anything, and you can represent your rational number on a number line. If you understood, if I'll ask you one more thing, try out. How will you represent minus 4 upon 5? How will you represent minus 4 upon 5 on this same number line. You can pause your video and you can draw and you can try out. Meanwhile, I'll show you. This is 4 upon 5, so I'll go on this 0 beyond 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is my fourth one, and this will be mine 4 upon 5 but minus. Hope you understand how to represent your all these rational numbers on the number lines. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thank you.
This is your homework. Try out, and don't worry, the solutions are given, but don't look at the solution first. Try to solve and see the solution. All the best.